Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing both devices. Install iTunes and sign in, because Windows uses that bridge to access backups and files. Once done, plug the iPhone with a certified Lightning cable and unlock it so Trust appears. Tap Trust to allow data access. Make sure Windows finishes driver installation. If it stalls, open Device Manager to confirm the iPhone shows under Portable Devices. This initial handshake lets Windows and iPhone negotiate protocols for photos, backups, and sync. Next, you configure what actually moves between devices. In iTunes, choose which content to sync, music, playlists, or backups, because this controls what Windows will keep in sync or store locally. For photos, open File Explorer, navigate to the iPhone DSIM folder, and copy images to a PC folder. This is direct and reliable. If you prefer wireless transfers, enable iTunes Wi-Fi sync and make sure both devices are on the same network, so future syncs occur without cables. Finally, confirm your backup or file transfer finished. Check timestamps in iTunes and ensure encrypted backups used when passwords are required. If something goes wrong, restart both the iPhone and the PC, try a different USB port or certified cable, and update iTunes and Windows drivers. One key troubleshooting tip: restart the Apple mobile device service via Services. MSC on Windows, that often restores connectivity when the phone is detected but not accessible. Reconnect after each step to test progress.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.